أهلا بكم أعزائي طلاب الصف السادس. معكم مستر مجدي خلف والمراجعة النهائية للترم الأول. المراجعة بتاعتنا هتركز على المختصر والمفيد والأكيد اللي هي نواتج التعلم، ودي اللي بتبقى بنسبة كبيرة جدا 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 هي اللي بتبقى موجودة في الامتحان. يعني لو أنت ذاكرت الساينس أو حاسس إن الساينس ضايع منك أو إنك مش فاهم قوي، ركز معانا في المراجعة دي وهتلم معانا المنهج كله في 5 حصص. يعني هما 5 فيديوهات هينزلوا، تمام؟ هتلاقي نفسك ممتاز جدا وهتجيب درجة كويسة جدا وممكن كمان تجيب الفول مارك في الساينس. مطلوب مننا بس اللايك والشير والسبسكرايب، ومحتاجين دعم كبير جدا للقناة والقناة محتاجة لدعمكم. خلينا نبدأ على طول. Question number 1. What cells are characterized by the presence of an organelle for photosynthesis process? Look at this, please. Photosynthesis process. So what cell contains organelle responsible for photosynthesis process? Yes, look at this. What is this? Chloroplasts. So chloroplasts are found only in plant cells. So plant cell responsible for photosynthesis process. Easy. Question number 2. What supports the plant cell and keep its shape? What supports the plant cell and keep its shape? What gives the plant cell definite shape? Excellent. Cell wall. Cell wall supports the plant cell and keep its shape. Number 3. Vacuoles are small in size in what cell? Vacuoles are small in size. So look here. So this is the animal cell vacuole, and this is the sap vacuole in plant cell. Which one is small? Which one is small? In animal cell or plant cell? Yes, animal cell. So animal cells have many small vacuoles. So animal cell has small vacuoles. Okay. Number 4. What controls the cell division? What controls the cell division? Here, what is this? It's nucleus. So nucleus control the cell division and making proteins. Number 5. Base control getting water in or out of both plant and animal cells. What control getting water in and out? What allows water to enter or leave the cell? What allows substances to enter or leave the cell? Yes, this one. What is this? Plasma membrane or cell membrane. So plasma membrane or cell membrane control getting water in or out of both plant cell and animal cell. Number 6. Human body is made up of a group of, excellent, a group of systems. Do you remember the organization? Yes, cell, tissue, organ system, and yes, so whole body. Okay. So the group, so the body is or consists of a group of systems that work together. Next one, 7. What surrounds the cell membrane of some cells, not all cells, from outside? So where is this? This is the cell membrane in animal cell has nothing, okay, covering it. While here in plant cell, so this is the cell membrane, and what is surrounds the cell membrane in plant cell? Yes, cell wall. So cell wall surrounds the cell membrane of some cells in plant cell from outside. Okay. Number 8. What controls the water balance on both its sides? So, yes, we have said this. Yes, controls the water balance. When much water enters the cell membrane allows some water to get out of the cell to keep water balance on its both sides. So, number 9, the organ as a system consists of organ. So the organ consists of what? Do you remember? I have just said it. Yeah, organ contains a group of tissue. Organ contains a group of tissues. So number 10 is one of the cells seen by human naked eye. What cell is seen but by human eyes? What cell is seen without using a microscope? What is it? Do you remember? Yes, yes. Unfertilized bird egg. Unfertilized bird egg is a large cell that doesn't need a microscope to be seen. You can see it with your unaided eye or naked eye. Okay? Unfertilized bird egg is a large cell. Number 11, bacteria cell can be seen with. So bacteria cell is smaller than plant cell and animal cell. So bacteria cell need what? To be seen, need a microscope. Bacteria cell can be seen with microscope. Number 12, the human body consists of about how many cells? Do you know the number? About? Yes, 40 trillion. 40 trillion cells. 13 is an example for unicellular organisms. Is marked, this question is marked for very important. 13 is coming in exam. Example of unicellular. Unicellular means has only one cell. The body has only one cell, or this organism contains only one cell. So yes, bacteria, excellent. Bacteria is an example for unicellular organism. Number 14 is found in all cells and surrounds its components. Is found in all cells. So the plant cell and the animal cell have something in common. What is it? Yes, cell membrane. Excellent. Cell membrane is found in plant cell and animal cell. By the way, many parts okay are common between plant cell and animal cell. So we chose the cell membrane is found in both plant cell and animal cell. Number 15. So the answer here is cell membrane. Number 15, the human body grows by increasing what? So we said human body grow or humans grow and reproduce by the increasing of what? Yes, excellent, number of cells. By increasing number of cells. 16, the scientist who discovered the cell, the first scientist to use a microscope and look at some cells or some parts of cells is Robert Hooke. Yes. So Robert Hooke was the first one to use a microscope. And the first one to call the small boxes he has seen under microscope cell. So Robert Hooke was the scientist who discovered the cell. Number 17, the power center, the power station of the cell. So which one resembles or looks like the power station of the cell? Which organelle that provides the cell with energy? Yeah, do you remember? Yes, this organelle, that organelle. So this is what mitochondria. Yes, mitochondria is the organelle or organelle that provides the cell with energy. So power station or power center, so is mitochondria. So cell wall is made up of what? Cell wall is made up of cellulose. Cell wall is made up cellulose. That's why cell wall it is a rigid, okay, and they give the plant cell definite shape and support it because cell wall is made up of what? Cellulose. Next group of questions. Match. Number one, help assemble. So please underline this. I want you please underline this word assemble here. You see this word assemble and the transport protein. Yeah, which organelle assemble and transport protein inside the cell, by the way? Yes, and they are resemble the worker constructions workers inside the cell. So yeah, a simple protein is what? Excellent. Endoplasmic reticulum. So endoplasmic reticulum, a simple, remember this please, a simple and transport protein inside the cell. Number two, a rigid, it means hard, rough, or tough, outer outer layer that gives the plant definite shape. So we said, what gives the plant definite shape? Yes, we have just said it. Yes, cell wall. Cell wall, a rigid outer covering that gives the plant definite shape. Number three, photosynthesis process take place inside it. So inside what organelle? Inside what organelle? Photosynthesis process. Yeah, yes, we have just said it. Chloroplasts. Why? Because chloroplasts contains, yes, tiny granules called chlorophyll. Chloroplasts contains chlorophyll. Chlorophyll captures sun energy and gives the plant green color. So chloroplasts responsible for what? Photosynthesis. Please just link between photosynthesis, chloroplasts. Photosynthesis, chloroplasts. A simple endoplasmic reticulum. Rigid outer layer, that gives the plant definite shape, cell wall. Controls the cell division. What controls the cell division and the most vital activities of the cell? What controls the most vital activities of the cell? Yes, we have just said it, nucleus. Easy? Yes. Let's move to another question. Now classify the following into plant cell or animal cell. So tubers or potato cell. So potato is a plant. So this is plant cell. I'm sorry, number one bones cell, I forgot this. So number one bones cell, bones اللي هي العظام يعني هي ترجمة موجودة. Bones cell, animal cell. Number two, tubers or potato, plant cell. Human stomach cell, human. So it must be what? Animal cell. Excellent. So ملوخية leaves, ملوخية is a plant. So it is plant cell. Blood cell, blood. Blood cell is what? Yes, animal cell. Excellent. Rabbit muscle cell. So I think, yeah, animal cell. So horse eye cell. Horse is animal. So animal cell. Carrot stem cell. Carrot is a plant. So it is what? Plant cell. Easy. Okay, let's move to another point. So I need eraser to eraser. Okay. Now, true or false? Number one, all cells contain nucleus. Just hold on. So all cells, no. So red blood cells don't have nucleus. So not all cells contains nucleus. Okay, so red blood cells don't have nucleus. So number one is false. Not all cells have nucleus. Number two, all the cells of living organisms are identical. Identical means the same. Do you agree? No, because cells are different in shape and structure. We said this in first lesson. So cells are different in shape and structure and even in number. Okay, so number two false. Number three, living organisms are made up of one or more cells. Yes, one cell unicellular, more cell multicellular. So this is true. Number four, all the cell components of living organisms are surrounded by a cell membrane and a cell wall. Here is the problem. So here is the wrong here. The mistake is here. All the cells have cell wall? No. Only plant cell and bacterial cell, by the way, have cell wall. But animal cell doesn't have cell wall. So not all the cell have cell wall. This is the problem. Wrong. The modern microscope helped in discovering the cell nucleus? Yes. So rocks are made up of cells. Oh, hold on. Rocks are non-living things. So cell is found only in living things. So rocks, no, don't have cells. All the living organism cells are the same in size? No, no. So we have seen just plant cell is smaller than animal cell, and the bacteria cell is smaller than plant cell and animal cell. And we have seen unfertilized bird eggs. This is largest cell you can see with your naked eye. So all the cell have the same size? No, this is wrong. All living organisms are made up of the only one cell. All living, only one cell? No. Some of them one cell unicellular organisms like bacteria, and the others are multicellular like plants and humans and animals. So this is wrong. The number of living organisms cells increase during their growth. Yes, we have said this. We grow because of due to increasing of number of cells. Water is considered one of the cell needs. Yes, we said the cell need nutrients or food and oxygen to get energy. Okay, and they need water to stay alive. So the cell need nutrients or food, oxygen, and water. So yes, yes. The human body is considered as a system for sure. Yes, for sure. Your body is because your body, okay, consists of organs, consists of systems, consists of cells, tissue, and all of them work together, okay, to keep you alive. So, every organelle inside the cell works alone? No, nothing inside your body works alone. Everything work as a one unit, as a system. Okay, work together to keep you alive. Cell membrane is characterized by its selectively permeable. Yes, we said selectively permeable means that cell membrane allows some substance to enter the cell and other substance leave the cell. Allow water to enter the cell and allow some water to leave the cell when water is much or increase inside the cell. So yes, cell membrane characterized by selected permeable. Yes, that's true. All cells can be seen by an aided human eye, not all cells only. Unfertilized bird egg cell. Okay. Chlorophyll is found inside the chloroplasts in plant cell. Yes, yes, we have said it many times. The exceed water, it means much water, results in bursting of the cell. If the cell doesn't get rid of it, yes, we said if there is much water enters the cell membrane allows some water to get out to keep water balance, on both sides of the cell. Okay, so this is true. Exceed water results in bursting. It means okay, exploding or انفجار يعني of the cell if the cell doesn't get rid of. Yeah, that's true. Mitochondria resemble the power station of the cell. Yes, because mitochondria provide the cell with energy during what cellular respiration. Yes, during cellular respiration. So mitochondria resembles power station. That's true. The nucleus resembles the city hall. Yes, nucleus at the center of the cell. Yes, control most vital activities of the cell and control cell division and forming protein. Next. Now, correct the underline. Correct the underline. All cells are surrounded by cell wall. All cells surrounded by cell wall or what? Yeah, all cells surrounded by excellent cell membrane. All cells, plant cell, animal cell, surrounded by yes cell membrane. Number two, systems are the smallest smallest, yeah, so smallest not systems, it is what? Yes, cell. Yeah. Plant cell can be seen by the naked eye? No. By what? Microscope. Bacteria are considered multicellular. Bacteria multicellular or unicellular. Yes. Animal cell performs photosynthesis process. Photosynthesis process performed by plant cell due to what? Yes, chloroplasts. Plant cells have chloroplasts, so they perform the photosynthesis process. Subvacuole is considered as the power station of the cell. Is it subvacuole or what? Power station. Power station of the cell. Yes, mitochondria. Mitochondria is the power station of the cell. Tissue is formed of a group of systems. A group of systems. What is a group of systems? Yes, the whole body, the human body. Okay, so the whole body, the human body, consists of a group of systems. The body itself. Okay, plasma membrane is considered the fluid where all parts fluid. Yes, yes, this is the thick liquid, or you see gelatinous liquid inside the cell. The cell basically grows by increasing its size. So we said the cell grow by increasing what? Yes, its number, increasing in number, not size. So the cell grow by increasing number. We look at the sample through the objective lens. So remember the microscope. So we look objective lens or through eyepiece? Yes, through eyepiece. Plant cell and animal cell are alike in the presence of chloroplast. So both plant cell and animal cell, yes, yes, they both have common part. That is what? Yes, cell membrane. Both of them have cell membrane. Now look at the figures, okay, and number each one. So which one? Just put or write down the number suitable for the function. So the function here is storing energy, storing energy. And please wait. Oh, someone says energy, so might quit. So this is storing energy and releasing energy here. So look at this. We have here storing energy and releasing energy. So number one is storing energy. So remember, we said chloroplasts contains, yes, chlorophyll. And the chlorophyll what? Absorbs energy of sunlight. So here is the storing energy, chlorophyll. So number four here, chlorophyll storing energy. Remember this, chlorophyll storing energy, sunlight energy or energy of the sun. Okay, so remember this, storing energy is what? Chloroplasts or chlorophyll here. This. Releasing energy means getting off energy or giving off energy. Which one give off energy or produce energy for the cell? Here is releasing energy. Yes. So you go to mitochondria. Mitochondria, yes, provides the body with energy or release energy. So controlling the cell activities. Which one controls the cell activities? Yes, at the center of the cell nucleus. Packing, hey, we have come to this. Packing and transporting material outside the cell. Packing, we said this packing, this word for what? Yes, Golgi apparatus. Yes, Golgi apparatus, packing and transporting materials outside the cell or between cells. Okay, easy. So next one, cell membrane is selective permeable. Why? Why cell membrane has this property, selective permeable or selective permeability? Why? We said because cell membrane allows substance to enter the cell and leave the cell. So that's why, okay, to allow substance to get in or enter or out of the cell. Allow substance enter the cell or leave the cell, get in or out of the cell. So the animal cell contains the animal. What would happen if? What question number 2? What would happen if the animal cell contains chloroplast? Chloroplast. What would happen? So just look at the plant cell. The plant cell contains chloroplasts, so they perform photosynthesis process. So if we had chloroplasts, we would perform photosynthesis process like a plant. So this is the answer. If the animal cell contains chlorophyll, so we can perform photosynthesis process and we make our own food like a plant. So it will perform photosynthesis process and make its own food. Which organelle helps the cell get its energy? Get its energy, release energy. So yes, mitochondria help in cellular respiration. In cellular respiration process, mitochondria use oxygen to get the chemical energy from food. So the answer is mitochondria help in cellular respiration where mitochondria, use oxygen to get chemical energy from food. Okay? Living organisms are different in the number of cells. This is important question. Mention one example for unicellular organisms and another example for multicellular organisms. Yeah, now it's your turn. So unicellular organisms such as what? Yes, excellent. Bacteria. And the multicellular organisms, plants, animals, humans. Yes, excellent. So here is the answer. Unicellular such as bacteria, multicellular such as human body. What is the name of the opposite figure? This what? What is the name of this? I think easy, yeah? This is what? Microscope. So the sample اللي هي العينة يعني الشريحة اللي نحطها is put on port number. So we put the sample here or here. Where we put the sample? Yes, we put it here on the slide. You see on the stage here. Okay. So in number 2. Thank you. See you next session on concept 2. Okay. So the next session may be tomorrow. Okay. So please activate. Okay, this bell and subscribe. Please share as much as or as many as you can, please, because we need your support. Okay, to go on sending more and more videos. Thank you and see you next session. Bye.